Hello again, this is Sam with BlindShell. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Notes application on the BlindShell Classic mobile phone. So we're going to navigate to the Notes application.
Messages to contacts, more applications, 4 of 9.
More applications, I'm going to click OK.
Tools, 1 of 4.
And the Notes is in the Tools section here. So I'm going to click OK.
Alarm, 1 of 9.
And then I'm going to scroll to the right or left until I reach Notes.
Minute timer, 2 of stopwatch, 3 of 9. Calendar, 4 of 9. Notes, 5 of 9.
There's Notes. Now I'm going to click OK.
Add note, 1 of 2.
Now, of course, we could also navigate to the Notes app using our voice, using a voice command. Check out our tutorial on how to control the BlindShell Classic phone just by using your voice. But let's see what the Notes app has to offer. So just a reminder.
Add note, 1 of 2.
The first option is to add a note. The second option
Notes list, 2 of 2.
is the list of the notes that we already have on here. Now, if I click that one,
No item. Notes list, 2 of 2.
I don't currently have any notes on here. So let's go ahead and add one.
Add note, 1 of 2. Text.
When I click that, it just brings me into a text field. I can use the keypad here to enter in text, and with a little practice you can get pretty good at doing that. But a much easier way to enter text is to just use voice dictation. So I'm going to long press one of our voice buttons. That's the upper left and the upper right button. After I hear the beep, I'm just going to dictate my message. I need to go to the grocery tonight, period. I need to get bananas, comma, ice cream, comma, and cookies, period.
I need to go to the grocery tonight. I need to get bananas, ice cream, and cookies.
So to learn more about voice dictation, please refer to our voice dictation tutorial available on our YouTube channel. Now that we have our note listed in here, I can just click OK.
Note save. Add note, 1 of 2.
And it saved the note and it brought us back to our main menu here in the Notes application. So now I can scroll to the right
Notes list, 2 of 2.
and view the list of notes that I have on here.
I need to go to the grocery tonight. I need to get bananas, ice cream, and cookies, 1 of 1.
So it read out my note to me. If I had more notes already saved, I could just click to the right to go to those. But now I would like to interact with this note, and I have some options. So to do that, I just click OK.
Edit, 1 of 5.
And I have 5 options in the menu here. The first one is to edit, so I can go in and edit this note. If I click to the right,
Send via SMS, 2 of 5.
I can send this through a text message.
Send via email, 3 of 5.
I can also send it through an email message.
Delete, 4 of 5.
I can delete this note,
Delete all, 5 of 5.
or I can delete all the notes that I have saved already.
Delete, 4 of 5.
Let's go ahead and delete this one. Turns out I don't need this note after all.
Do you want to delete this note?
I get a little warning message asking me to make sure that I want to delete this. I'm going to click OK,
No item. Notes list, 2 of 2.
and it deleted that note for me. So that was a quick look at the Notes application on the BlindShell Classic phone. If you liked that video and you'd like to learn more, please head on over to our YouTube channel to see the other videos in our tutorial series.